We know sometimes Chrome extensions are very useful, and in this video we are going to see 7 of the best Chrome extension to use, and those 7 are most valuable Chrome extensions also. The first one is Reader's View. You can use this while you visit a website and you see lots of chunky pop-ups or anything, and you can use this reader view to view only the content of the site or the article of the site, and you can see there is lots of features you can use, like changing fonts width, or you can switch light and dark mode also. The second Chrome extension is Stay Focused, and this is the most popular Chrome extension for staying focused and blocking all those websites, all the sites, those who make you distracted. And these have a very high response around beating your procrastination or staying focused while you working on your laptop or mobile phone. The next Chrome extension is Todoist for Chrome. Todoist is an application for maintaining your to-do list or creating your to-do list, and you can use this extension to access your to-do list while you are browsing any other site. You can see in picture that how you can control your to-do list in your Chrome browser using this Todoist Chrome extension. The next Chrome extension is Evernote Web Clipper. Evernote is a writing platform where you can write articles or write anything you want to write, and the Evernote Web Clipper help you to clip the website or the article you visit while you are browsing on your laptop, and you can use this to capture the website's content or the article. The next Chrome extension we have is EasyFox Clocks, and this extension help you to be used when you visit lots of time zones, and these extensions show the exact time location, the time zone of different areas or different countries or different cities, like you can see in the picture. The next Chrome extension is Momentum. While you are browsing, while you are using your Chrome, you can see lots of many things, but if you use Momentum, then you can create inspirational photo and quotes and stay focused on your day also, and keep track of your many more things you can use to have your to-do list also. Picture. The next Chrome extension is ReadAloud, a text-to-speech voice reader, and this extension is a gem for me. But this extension used to read the website's content or article or any kind of paragraph or any kind of line on the Chrome, and you can use like just see the. You can see the one example of this. You can just copy this and you can right click, and you see read aloud selected text, and you the website.
A text-to-speech voice reader.
This will read the text and speak you on English, and you can select many more languages also, and this is a game changer, and I write a detailed article on that also. You can go to productivitysite.com and you can search read aloud and you can find the article, and I make a video about it also, how this work, and this how the Chrome extension help me lot to maximize my productivity and minimize my content consuming time, and help you to listen many more things. Thanks for listening and watching this video. You can find those Chrome extensions on Chrome Web Store, and you can search the title of the Chrome extension. You can find, and you can add to Chrome, and you can use the Chrome extension. Thank you.